No, but I always have to have my lightning.
My gosh. There's the radio out here. Oh, you had a computer. Play some music.
So we're just having like a lightning storm or something?
I always have to have my
Like
blanket.
a thunderstorm.
Really? Yeah.
Whoa.
I got it over there in that corner where you see all the lightning strikes.
It says heaven. What's the tree just like flew away?
I could see it. Then I would scream.
Huh?
I'm gonna put this on YouTube and then post it to WSBT's Facebook page because they said put pictures or video up.
Do we get anything or do we just post it up
And
there?
I just post it.
What if like there was a prize for like $10,000 or like $100,000 like for like the best storm movie video? Oh yeah, that'd be fun. I could just hold it to the window. I can't see a bolt anymore.
Ooh, I just had a shiver.
It was so loud. You want to sit on my lap? What if the wind picks up a car and
Ah, it's raining.
What if the wind picked up that cruiser right there and it blew it away? Well, I just don't know about what.